Elsewhere, the range of locally assembled mobile devices in Kenya is set to be expanded from smartphone to a tablet, a feature smartphone, a Mobigo device to address the growing demand of devices by merchants and agent networks. Now, since the launch of the smartphone manufacturing plant in October last year, over 194,000 units have been produced.
The setting up of East Africa Device Assembly Kenya Limited in Athi River in October 2023 as a joint venture of local mobile network operators and international device manufacturers was geared at driving digital inclusion by making digital services affordable.
So promoting reforms is very, very important, creating policies around it so that we can support digitally enabled businesses.
Private sector players hope the discovery of coltan could potentially help reduce the cost of mobile devices, especially where locally manufactured components use coltan.
The government is also trying to introduce other devices, including tablets and Mobigos, which are supposed to help especially entrepreneurs, of course, find more leverage in terms of application of digital technologies within their businesses.
Kenya faces a digital divide with 44% of the urban population having access to the internet compared to 17% in rural areas. The gaps in basic digital skills limit the wider usage and application of digital tools and services, while gaps in advanced digital skills limit business development.
And as representatives of the private sector, we recognize the need to draw our focus on the digital economy and the stakeholder collaboration in driving the agenda.
Regina Manyara reporting for Lunchtime News.